Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abhinav Narravula. So sorry for not posting videos lately. I've been going through my examinations. So about this video, today I'll be telling about the marble game. It's a type of a puzzle where you need to do a talk accordingly so that you can get one marble. So first let me tell you how to do this. First you need to take one marble and you will have a spare space. You have to put it always in the middle but not anywhere like here or another, only in the middle. So first you need to take one marble and put it up above another marble and take the marble and put it in the spare space. Then this marble will get out, so we can put it aside. So now I'm going to tell you how to solve this marble game and get one marble. So let's start. So we need to do it in a section wise. First we need to complete this one, and after that we need to do either this one or this one. Then we need a pattern will come and we have to finish that. So let's start. So now you'll get a pattern like this. So let me tell you how to do this pattern. So you'll get a pattern like this. So let me tell you what to do next. So now it's going to get over. So you see guys, it's done. We got one marble. So if you did with me and you got one marble, we did it guys. So guys, let me even tell you one thing, that even I was also so eager to play this marble game. So when I was trying, I did not get one marble. So then I watched YouTube and saw other players play it, and then I practiced it so that I got how to do this pattern. So I not learn it myself. I was inspired by other YouTubers. So I also did this video so that you can also learn how to do this pattern. So hope you like the video, and so watch my videos multiple times so that you will get to know this pattern and you can learn it quickly. So if you like my video, please subscribe and like and press the bell button to get notifications on my other videos. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video.